Best Web Hosting for Freelancers 2021. Hunting for the best web hosting for freelancers in 2021? I got covered the web hosting providers for freelancers in today's market. You're in profit because with today's choices, it has never been more straightforward to find out a freelance web hosting that fits under your budget with cheap and cost-effective pricing. Your search ends here and you have landed to Best Guide on the planet to find out the cheapest, best, top freelance web hosting for your clients' today's market. Today's list includes both cheap, budget-friendly and premium freelance hosting plans. Why freelance web hosting for your clients? If you are a freelancer and have a number amount of clients, your hosting will need to be a lot more different than those of users managing a single website under one account. I mean to say, your hosting should be a lot different from those users who use web hosting such as shared, managed, and have no options for white labeling, unlimited domains, etc. Being a freelancer guy for years now, I found freelance web hosting and normal hosting are like two halves of earth. For the freelancer, a number of clients are more reasonable to rely on you for hosting pickups, which means choosing the outer provider becomes a substantial more decision. No need to worry about dollars anymore. Most of the hosting for freelance are very affordable, budget-friendly, which helps your clients to get a hold faster on their business quickly under your pocket pricing. In this video, where the following consideration and comparison of the best WordPress web hosting for freelancers take a spot. Each hosting I am going to share with you works on any platform, no matter if you are a developer and trying to build a custom coding website. All hosting supports CMS, Bootstrap, Joomla, WooCommerce, and Lot. How to choose the best web hosting service for freelancers business. In past I talked a lot about the web hosting for web designers, agency business, small business, big business, etc. Comparing those hosting with freelancing, every host is not well optimized and tailored specifically toward freelance. When it comes to the freelance hosting providers, you have to look at lots of features and factors. Well, we know there are some hosting we agree and offers normal features such as daily backups, clock support, SSD storage, one-click installations. What about freelance? How do I find out the top performance freelance hosting? No need to worry anymore. Sit backward and repose while I present you the factors and features that you need to be aware of before making a decision. Number 1. White labeling. If you are going to manage web hosting for your clients, then you mostly need to have WHTE labeling features more important. It's because with white labeling your client will not see the logo of the hosting you purchase. Instead, you can customize the dashboard and everything the hosting offers from scratch and add your XYZ custom logo. Also access the features and limitations you want. So it becomes a fully integrated component of your business. Number 2. Unlimited websites and domains. When you start as freelance, no one does and know how many clients you are going to have future, and you must look for hosting offering unlimited domains in one single account. Number 3. Unlimited SSD storage and bandwidth. Since you are a freelancer and having limitations of storage is always bad because you are not the only single one using hosting, you will have a number of clients, so each client will have different storage, with one single plan. So you have to find out hosting with unlimited SSD storage and bandwidth for a better and faster experience with no limitations. Else you have to upgrade the plans in the future, or also some hosts freelance providers do not provide unlimited features where you have to migrate your web hosting, which may take huge time depending on the clients you will have. Number 4. Email accounts. Since you will be going with freelance plans, you will by default have access to unlimited email accounts. Number 5. Speed. You need a trustworthy host provider that can guarantee your website loading speed. There is no point in being a customer of such a host which load time is worst. Website loading speed is extremely crucial when it comes to SEO optimization. Number 6. Customer support. A hosting company without technical support is the same as traveling to the road without a direction map with just a single hope. You must choose a hosting company that supports good customer service when sometimes goes wrong. We review 5 best web hosting in this video. Number 1. Hostinger. Hostinger's easy-to-use interface, one-click setups, fast server response times, and almost perfect uptime available at an insanely low price that makes it the best value for money web host for beginners. Hostinger hits many high marks across the board, thanks to its low prices, excellent support, helpful features, and consistently high performance in uptime and speed. It draws in many first-time site hosters with its very affordable pricing and intuitive system, so you never pay too much or feel overwhelmed. Plus, it is optimized to run WordPress sites exceptionally well, or you can even build your website directly through Hostinger for maximum convenience. Number 2. HostGator. HostGator hosts over 10 million domains and is one of the most popular web hosts in the industry. With one-click WordPress installation, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 support, it's a smart choice for every website owner. We consider them the best web hosting for businesses. They're offering our readers an exclusive 62% off discount, a free domain name, and free SSL certificate. HostGator was founded in 2002 and grew quickly to become one of the biggest hosting companies in the world. You can credit the monstrous growth to their great shared hosting plans, reliable web hosting, and quality customer service. Today it is headquartered in Houston, Texas, and hosts over 10 million domains. They have 850+ employees that offer around-the-clock support and serve businesses of all sizes. It is a subsidiary of Endurance International Group and offers a wide range of web hosting solutions to a massive global customer base. Number 3. Namecheap. Founded in 2000, Namecheap.com is an independently owned domain name registrar that's ICANN accredited. Not only do they offer domain registration, but they also provide consumers with a plethora of hosting services as well. For users who are in need, Namecheap also provides various additional services including a website builder, email hosting, and SSLs, all complete with 24-hour customer support and standard 30-day money-back guarantee. While the company primarily focuses on offering name registrations, we're going to be discussing their hosting during this review. The main reason for that is because the company provides incredibly cheap hosting plans, and we'd like to know why. Under most circumstances, I prefer keeping my domain registration and hosting reviews separate from each other. However, in this case, I have a project I'm launching. Therefore, I chose Namecheap to determine how the service would hold up. Number 4. InMotion Hosting. InMotion Hosting is a weird one. A few years ago, I would have said, definitely try it out. With excellent features backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, you couldn't have gone wrong. Nowadays, InMotion Hosting is not a terrible host, but there are much better options out there. InMotion Hosting's features are, mostly, pretty standard, but I can say that the hosting plans are pretty solid. Where many hosts will lock all of the best features behind more expensive plans, InMotion Hosting maintains a pretty decent balance of features across the board. All InMotion Hosting's plans come with cPanel, unlimited bandwidth, 24/7 support, and free advertising credits. You can choose to have WordPress, PrestaShop, or Joomla pre-installed. Every plan also comes with free website transfers and a free domain name for the first year. Also, and rather importantly, every plan gets free SSL certificates via Let's Encrypt. For the non-nerds, that means your website's back-and-forth traffic is all encrypted, providing an extra layer of security against hacking and data leaks. Search engines can give your site a small boost for having SSL enabled, too. The main differences in the plans come in the form of resource allocation. If you pay more money, you get more storage space, more databases, more add-on domains, email accounts, and so on. Yeah, email accounts are limited for some reason. The Lite plan gets 1, the Launch plan gets 10, the Power plan gets 50, and the Pro plan gets an unlimited amount. Number 5. Scala Hosting. Scala Hosting provides excellent hosting features, strong performance, and security. If you're looking for high-quality, reliable, fully managed cloud VPS hosting that won't break your budget, you should definitely consider Scala Hosting. So is Scala Hosting any good? Scala Hosting's managed and self-managed cloud VPS solutions stand out as some of the best in the industry. If you're looking for high-quality, reliable, and cheap cloud VPS hosting that won't break your budget, you should definitely consider Scala Hosting. Despite providing excellent service for over a decade, Scala Hosting continues to fall under the radar. It's one of my favorite VPS web hosting providers, and Scala Hosting's managed and self-managed cloud VPS solutions stand out as some of the best I've seen. They are backed by extremely competitive prices, include generous server resources, and use Scala's native Spanel control panel, S-Shield cybersecurity tool, and S-WordPress Manager. And on top of this, all VPS plans are fully configurable, which means that you will only ever pay for the resources you need. There are a few small concerns to be aware of, such as limited data center locations, high renewal prices, and the use of HDD storage with the shared and WordPress plans. But overall, Scala Hosting deserves to be much more popular than it is. The bottom line: if you're looking for high-quality, reliable cloud VPS hosting that won't break your budget, you should definitely consider Scala Hosting. Thanks for watching us.